Welcome to the channel The Practical Study. Guys, today our topic is basic refrigeration cycle and we will try to learn it by simple animated explanation. Before moving ahead, it is to request you please subscribe our channel and press the notification bell so that you can find more interesting videos in future. Refrigeration cycle. Naturally, heat always flows from hot body to cold body, as you know that, but in refrigeration we need to reverse the natural process. That means we need to transfer heat from cold body to hot body, and in order to achieve this reverse process we have to do some external work, and for this external work we have designed refrigeration cycle. There are four major components in refrigeration cycle. Number one, compressor. Compressor actually takes the vapors, refrigerant vapors, and converts into high pressure refrigerant vapors. That's why this cycle is also called vapor compression cycle. In your refrigerators or in your split AC outdoor units, you have seen this type of compressor. The second part or second component of refrigeration cycle is condenser. When compressor converts refrigerant into high pressure, high temperature vapors, then condenser removes heat from the vapors in order to cool it or in order to change its state from the high pressure vapors to high pressure liquid form. In your refrigerator backside you normally see this type of condenser which removes heat with the help of natural air flow. Or in your outdoor AC units this type of condenser is used, which actually removes heat by the forced ventilation of fan. The third component is expansion valve and throttling valve. After condenser we have high pressure liquid, so we need to convert it into low pressure liquid. This purpose we can achieve by expansion valve or throttling valve. If this is the inner diagram of your AC, then this type of expansion valve is used to reduce the high pressure vapors into high pressure liquid into low pressure liquid. Or if you find your refrigerator, then this type of capillary you will find before the evaporator. This is used to reduce the pressure. The final component is evaporator. Evaporator actually absorbs heat and give us cooling effect in our desired air conditioned area. Now we will discuss all these components in detail and also the refrigeration cycle with animation. In your refrigerator, the inner portion is called evaporator, and in your split AC the indoor unit is called evaporator. This is our basic refrigeration cycle. This is compressor, this is condenser, this is expansion valve, and this is evaporator. Now converting this cycle into two portions, this is high pressure side after the discharge of compressor till the intake of expansion valve. This cycle is pressurized, and after the expansion valve and before till the suction of the compressor, this portion is low pressure side. Here the pressure is around 120 psi and temperature is 40°F. Then after compressor this pressure goes to 419 psi and temperature, because pressure is directly proportional to temperature, temperature is directly proportional to pressure. So when pressure will increase, then temperature will also increase. Now Let's discuss the states of refrigerant in different portions. Here, the refrigerant comes to compressor in saturated vapors form, and after the compressor, the refrigerant becomes high pressure vapors. After condenser, it is in high pressure liquid form. After expansion wall, it is in mixture of liquid and vapors. Now guys, let's simulate how this refrigeration cycle actually works. In starting, the compressor takes saturated vapors and converts into high pressure, high temperature refrigerant vapors. This red color shows the high pressure, high temperature refrigerant. But when this high pressure, high temperature refrigerant moves to the condenser, then condenser actually removes heat from this high pressure vapors and high pressure, high temperature vapors. When condenser removes this heat to the environment, then this refrigerant vapors start to change its state from vapors to liquid. And after the condenser, we will get completely high pressure liquid. As you can see that this blue color shows the change of state in condenser. Now let's see that after the condenser, we get completely high pressure liquid. Now moves to the expansion wall. Now this high pressure liquid will move to the expansion wall, and expansion wall reduce its pressure from high pressure to low pressure. When expansion wall reduce the pressure, then its temperature will also decrease and refrigerant will reach to nearest its boiling point. So after absorbing a small amount of heat, it will started to change its state from liquid to vapors. So in evaporator, what evaporator actually do? Evaporator absorbs heat from the environment, and in not environment, absorbs heat from the desired air conditioned area and give us cooling effect. So when evaporator absorbs heat, then it's change its state from liquid into vapors, and after the evaporator we will get complete saturated vapors. As you can see that in this simulation, this blue color is now being changed into orange color, which is showing that the liquid has been converted into complete saturated vapors. So guys, this was our today's video. I hope you like this. If you like this, please share in your comments and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.